Hey everybody, welcome back to Professional Python Programming, Episode 4. Today we're going to be going over the print statement with our accumulated knowledge of French toast and its history from Episode 3, as well as tkinter and whatever the heck we did in Episode 2. I believe it is now time to venture onto the statement, which is the hardest to learn and the most valuable for programmers to know in Python. So I'm sorry for my long hiatus. I was busy making some professional projects. So I can actually show you some right here. Here's an advanced game that I made over my break. I can run it by going to my desktop and running this command. You can see that it's a very long adventure game. It has 8 hours of playtime. And basically, but I'm gonna say no because I don't want to bore you. And it's totally a legitimate project. I'm going to toss it in the trash now. I also have this personal project. It took me a few months to do, which is why my break was so long. And it does exactly what we're going to be learning today. It's going to print the hello world statement. Now, I know that this might take a while for us to learn, so I'm expecting this. Oh, wait, no, that's spoilers right there. We will be going over it step by step. That might have looked very complicated. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to open up our Python terminal. And the reason why I'm using TextEdit in this tutorial is because I believe it is the most valuable asset. And there is really no other IDE that's installed in my computer that could be used for Python. So instead, I'm going to be using this Python terminal, which I highly recommend others use. So the thing is, if we want to learn how to, let's ignore that. If we want to learn how to print a statement in Python, we're going to have to learn about the definition of print. Okay, so I have it pulled up here. The word print is defined as, well, this is the verb and this is the noun, and we want the verb version because it's an action completed by the Python console. So as we see right here, example number 2, we always skip the first one. It says write text clearly without joining the letters. And that's exactly what this Python terminal will do. So if you see right here, I'm going to close this out first because hopefully you've memorized the definition of print because it's very important that you know. And you also need to remember how to write the print statement. And the print statement is written with the word print. I forgot how to spell it. Give me 1 second. Okay, so it looks like it's P-R-I-N-T. P-R-I-N-T. And since this is a more advanced version of Python, you're going to need some parentheses. And it's going to be followed by quotation marks because we want to say a word in there. And keeping in mind that this is an action that we're making the console do, we're going to write something like hello world. And this is the part where you don't want to click enter yet. You want to analyze your code for any sort of bugs that may arise. I can see that everything looks fine. There are no additional spaces. So I'm actually going to click enter. And there we go. We've printed out our first hello world statement. Stay tuned for episode 5.